October 1st, 2020 vocabulary. So we're going to look at our vocabulary term, least common multiple, or you can see it as LCM. It's abbreviated as LCM most of the time. And we are going to fill out the 4 boxes around this. So the first one, the box on the top left, the definition. So we are going to type the definition of LCM here. Hint, you can review other slides. So if you go to the other slides, the least common multiple is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So it's the smallest or the least or the first positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So that's what our least common multiple is. Now, if we go to this example, we can type or insert an image example of LCM here. So least common multiple. So what we can do, we can look at, we can go to the images and we can search the web. We can look for LCM. So what we can do, there are a lot of videos or a lot of pictures that show up. What we can do is maybe drag one of the images out here. Ooh, there's one of them. That might not be such a clear example. It might be a little big. All right, here's one. Here's a video actually that can help us. So we can put this as our example if you want to. You can put whatever example you want. You don't have to do the examples I'm putting. You don't have to do this. So least common multiple. It has multiples of 4, multiples of 6, and then it finds the least or the first one that they share. So that's also one possibility. Over here, we can type our own example. So what is the LCM of, do you want to do 2 and 5? If we do the LCM of 2 and 5, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on, right? So I'm going to go up to the 10, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. So I'm going to have my multiples of 2, and then we'll need multiples of 5. Oop. I don't know what happened. There we go. Multiples of 5 are going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. It keeps going down to the bottom. All right, so now, what is the first number or the first or the least of the numbers they share? Do they share a 2? No, 4, 6, 8. They share a 10. So I'm going to actually highlight that. So the LCM, or the least common multiple, of 2 and 5 is going to be 10. All right. So the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. I'm going to make that a little bigger. So that's just my own example. You can put any example you want to. Now, explain or insert an image of what you think of when you hear least common multiple. So when I hear of the least common multiple, I think of first, or I think of least, or I think of smallest. And I also think of common multiples. So I think of those common multiples. So multiples that one have in common. You can put words like that. You can put pictures, whatever you want to do. That is fine with me. So you can make it your own. And that's it for our vocabulary.